Magayon ka. Magayon ika.
This guy's laughing. I don't think you're saying it right. He's laughing. He's laughing. See, he's laughing. How about
Malang.
mabata?
Mabata. Mabaho.
Yeah.
No.
Coming out in your...
Poop. Poop.
How do you say, where are you going?
Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta?
San? And then
Saan
ka.
ka pupunta?
San ka
Pupunta.
to the moon?
Sakapunta to the moon. Road trip. Broom broom. Skr skr.
Nagkapunta to the moon.
Tripan tayo,
Skirt, skirt.
te.
Broom, broom.
Pag ako nainis sa pakinggan.
Hindi kita pinagtitripan?
Ay, put.
Ano to yung streamer?
No, I'm not streaming.
Really?
No, I'm not streaming.
Weh.
What y'all doing here?
Nothing.
Why is everyone thinking I stream?
You look like a
Yeah.
streamer. The setup, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I just got it's a pretty good camera, but I'm not streaming. I promise
No,
you.
I mean,
I promise you I'm not streaming.
No,
Oh, just the
the
setup.
angle of the camera.
Oh.
Yeah, the setup.
I guess that's a good thing. But anyways, what are y'all doing here?
Nothing.
We're just bored.
Yeah.
Which part of the Philippines are y'all from?
QC.
Luzon.
Luzon, Quezon City.
Quezon City.
Manila.
Oh,
Quezon
Manila.
City.
No wonder why y'all are really good at English.
Wow.
Y'all speak English there a lot, or is it Tagalog in
Tagalog.
Manila? In Manila?
Taglish.
Okay.
Tagalog and English.
It depends where you're. Yes.
It depends where? What? It depends on what?
It depends when tawag dito.
It depends who we are talking with.
Yes, and what
Huh?
Huwag ka na mag-talk.
what language you can like
It depends on the
Are
person.
you having a nosebleed?
no like
It
here in
depends
the
on the...
Philippines
Just a runny nose.
there's yeah
Oh, I thought it was a
runny-
nosebleed.
no
Okay.
Here in the Philippines there's a lot of language.
And so, how many languages do you know?
We don't talk about no. 3, 4,
4.
3.
Okay, so Tagalog for sure, and then you got English.
Yeah.
What's the other two?
Bisaya.
Bicol.
Bicol.
Yes,
Yes.
Bicol and Bisaya.
Wow.
They just understand it, but we don't speak it.
I know how to speak it. Just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
We're not fluent.
Teach
Bicol
me.
and
Is it Bicol?
Tagalog.
What?
Can you teach me Bicol? Is it Bicol?
Bicol.
Sure.
Bicol. Magayon. You say Magayon.
Yeah, Magayon.
Magyaron. Magyaron.
Maga.
Ga.
Yon.
Yon. Magayon.
Magayon.
Yeah.
Yes.
What does it
It
mean?
means beautiful,
Gorgeous.
pretty. Yeah.
Okay, I can use that when I go to Bicol.
Yeah.
I'll say, how do you say you are Magayon?
Ika magayon ka. Magayon ika.
This guy's laughing. I don't think you're saying it right. He's laughing. He's laughing. See, he's laughing. Are you saying
Magayon
it right? Is she saying it right? This guy's laughing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm saying right. It
Okay.
just
We're honest.
ang tawag
We're
dito,
honest.
Are you honest people? Okay, I appreciate that. Magayon ka? You said ka?
Yeah, magayon ika. Ika it means you, ika.
Ika. Magayon ika. So that means you're beautiful.
Yes.
Magayon ika. Okay.
Malangkanos.
What is that?
The opposite of Malangayon.
What is it again? The ugly?
Yeah.
What is ugly?
Malangkanos.
Makanos, malangkanos.
Makanos.
Makanos. Magayon
Yeah.
and Makanos. How about
Malang-
mabata?
Mabata, mabaho.
Yeah, I knew it.
How did you know?
Yeah, where did you learn that?
I got some Filipino friends here. There's one more I forget. Mabata, magayon. Oh, I know it. One more. It means cute. He said it's udo.
What?
It means cute. Why are you laughing? That guy's laughing. I heard him laughing. Is it right?
No, he's not
No, it's not.
laughing.
Okay, yeah. Like you're cute is
What?
you are udo.
No!
Ano sabi?
That's cute.
Udo.
No,
No.
udo
Nuh-uh.
means it depends on what province he or
Where?
yeah, depende. It depends on what
Where you are.
where you
Oh,
are.
so
It
it
depends
means
Mo-
cute. It means cute, or what's the other meaning?
In Bicol, Udo means sheep. Like poof.
yeah, poop.
Sheet? Like
Poop.
Shih Tzu?
No, like
Poof.
poop.
Poof.
Poof. What a
Sheep.
poof? Like poof disappear?
No,
Coming out in your...
Oh.
poop. Poop.
Wait, whoa. That was a little aggressive. Hold on. it means poop, basically.
Yes,
Yeah.
poop. Poof na kasi na poof. Poop. Yun.
Poof, 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 poof,
Poop.
poof.
What?
Poop.
He said it means cute. Udo.
It depends on province where you are. Ang
What's the
tawag
other
dito?
meaning?
We don't know, but in Bicol,
Example,
Udo means-
example in Bicol
Mhm.
or Bisaya, the boot is is the
Why are you laughing? He's laughing again.
no. Wait. Let me explain. Okay.
Okay.
Let me
Sorry, my
explain.
bad.
In Bisaya, in Bisaya or Bicol, the buto is
Oh, P.
penis. But in Tagalog, the buto is buto like bones.
bones.
Yes.
But in Bicol, both means pet.
Look at pens and pens.
Wow.
Please.
That's a big difference.
Yeah. So your friend that what your
That-
friend teach you the udo, we don't
Yeah.
know if there's
Other language.
Other meaning.
other meaning
Other
of
meaning.
Would it be easier if you just spoke in Tagalog?
Ay, marunong ka.
you know how to
Do you understand
I can
Tagalog?
understand a little bit because she seems like she's
Okay.
yeah. I can
no,
understand a
I'm
little bit.
just struggling to choose a right word.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
No, it's okay.
Sige,
Just
ano to
struggling
sinasabi ko ngayon?
Oh, that's so fast. You gotta go slow.
Ay, my bad. Alam mo ba, te?
Alam is know, like to know,
Yummy.
and I don't know the rest. I just know alam is to know
That
something. Oh, I think you lagged.
No,
No,
you.
you. No, you.
No, you.
You're the one
No.
who laughed.
Ika.
Okay, we're both.
Ika.
Ika.
No, okay. It's a tie.
San tayo. Is that what you said?
San kayo? Oh, what does that mean?
San is where, and tayo is us.
Yeah.
Where us. Where
So that's
us.
speaking Tagalog.
Where
Pwede mong titigan dahan.
What did you say?
No, it's just
It's a song.
Yeah, in
Oh, it's a song.
TikTok.
How do you say where are you going?
Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta?
San?
Saan
and then ka.
pupunta?
San ka
Pupunta.
to the moon?
Sa kapunta to the moon. Road trip. Vroom vroom. Skr.
Did I do it right?
Yeah.
Dito tayo.
You did it pretty good.
Yeah.
Pagkapunta
to the moon.
Dito tayo,
Skirt, skirt.
te.
Brum, brum.
Pag ako nainis, sapakin ko.
Hindi kita pinagtitripan?
Ay, put.
Sabi na eh.
Sabi na tama talaga
Sabi
ang
na eh.
guts ko, ang instinct ko.
What? What did you say?
Gunggong!
Ano yan? Paano yung mabata?
Ano?
Sabi na lang sa mukha niya eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Nagka-content ako ngayon sa YouTube.
My bad, my bad.
Nag-YouTube ka? Saan?
Nagka-content ako ngayon sa YouTube. Mag-hi kayo sa YouTube.
Saan?
Hala! Lagyan mo ako filter.
Sa kapunta
Check
to
mo.
the moon.
Check mo, say mo. Malapit
Lagyan mo
na.
ako
Malapit
filter.
naman nosebleed si ate. Malapit naman nosebleed.
Ha?
Sabi ko, malapit na mag-nosebleed.
Uy,
Sinisipon lang siya.
Sinisipon lang ako.
Wala
Ayan,
na,
say
ang
mo.
pangit namin dyan. Wala man lang ka-filter. Di nga ako nakapagpang...
Ganda-ganda nyo nga. Hindi na kailangan ng filter. Kayo no.
Ulitin natin, magme-makeup lang ako.
Oh, yeah.
hala!
Nahanap ni kuya.
Ano
Nahanap
na
mo kuya?
kaya viral na kami? Mamaya madami na ako.
Yeah.
Uy, gagi.
Ala, paano nga ako? Follow nyo ko sa IG.
Okay. Type mo dito. Type mo.
Seryoso ba?
Yeah, type nyo. Type nyo ngayon. Yo, my followers. Follow her.
Ala,
Type
nakakaya
mo.
eh. Parang ewan.
I-type mo.
Di naman ako nagmura dyan, di ba?
Tignan natin.
Uy,
Paano yan? Ano yung boot?
wala.
Oh.
Nakakainis. Alam
Na
mo,
nga.
hirap na hirap ako i-translate yung English ay Tagalog into English. Tapos sabay,
Yun na
Eh,
nga,
sab-
subscribe na ako.
Thank you, bro.
Uy, wait lang. Ito yung profile ko, ah.
Oh, yung IG. Ito yung IG niya. It's me, Princess E.
Princess.
Follow nyo. Follow nyo siya. Yan. Follow nyo si ate. Padamihin
Thank you,
pa natin
Papa.
followers niyan. Hi, Papa.
Sana
Sige.
sunod gold play button na yan.
Oh.
Silver na. Next, silver. Ano ba yung una? Gold or
Silver.
silver? Hindi ko alam eh.
Silver than gold.
Papel lang yan. Papel lang to.
Sabi na eh. Streamer ang...
Ako lang
Dami.
gumawa dyan. Ako lang nag-drawing.
Old, ano ka.
Sige.
Wala na.
Ingat kayo dyan. Thank you sa good vibes.
Thank you, Ren.
Sige. Ingat kayo. Peace.
Ow.
Bye.
Whoa. Look at that lighting, bro. Look at that.
Fist bump,
Hey. Fist bump,
Fist
bro.
bump. Fist bump, bro.
Man. Whoa! Drop your
But-
YouTube right now. I gotta follow you. Drop your YouTube.
Only
You a-
TikTok.
Are you on YouTube?
No, TikTok.
Oh, TikTok. Okay, I'm gonna follow you on TikTok. Man, that was really good, bro. Man, that was really good. You need to teach me how to do that.
Pera.
What's that?
High five.
Oh, high five.
High five.
Come over to my place. Here's sa harap, sa likod, kahit na ano pa posisyon, pati sideways. Sa tuwing kailangan mo, andyan na, di pwedeng break. Walang saong magkahawak, yung kamay nag-meditate.
Okay,
So
my turn.
good,
My turn. Ready? High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Ready?
Yes.
Eat. Bulaga.
Hey.
One more. Right here.
Saan?
Eat. Bulaga.
Ibang trip to! Bad trip!